भगवान जी, अगर मेरा आईपी मैट हो गया ना तो मैं जरूर आपको आके 100 रुपए चढ़ाऊंगा।
वाह बच्चे, आईआईएम जाकर प्लेसमेंट चाहिए 30 लाख का और मुझे चढ़ाओगे केवल 100 रुपए।
टेलीग्राम एंड यूट्यूब से इतना कंटेंट तो निकाल लिया, पर मैं क्या पढूं क्या ना पढूं?
कल देखी जाएगी यार।
ये हैं आईपी मैट प्रिपरेशन के जंगल के 3 बंदर। पहले जो सब कुछ छोड़ देते हैं भगवान के भरोसे, थिंकिंग दैट इनसे तो कुछ नहीं होएगा। सेकंड, जिन्हें लगता है कि हाँ रिसोर्सेज तो हैं, कर तो सकती हूँ, बट देन दे डोंट नो द प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर, दे डोंट नो व्हाट इज द मोस्ट एफिशिएंट वे टू प्रिपेयर, दे डोंट हैव समबडी टू मेंटर एंड गाइड देम। और तीसरे होते हैं इन महाशय जैसे, जिन्हें लगता है आखिरी के 15 दिन में पढ़ के एग्जाम निकल जाएगा। Well, God bless them. But if in case you are somebody who wants to take an initiative and want to take that early, then ACE IPM has something for you. We have batches launching for 2028 and 2027 in both online and offline format. So, hear me out. Before talking about our batches RM and Amplify, which are going to start from 5th of May, let's also answer a frequently asked question. That is, what is the ideal duration to prepare for IPMAT? The short answer to that is it depends. It depends on your current level of quants as well as verbal. Also depends on your grasping power. If in case you are somebody who can understand things at a faster pace, or you'd want multiple repetitions before you finally understand it. It also depends on who you are as a person, whether you are somebody who would be able to be consistent in this preparation journey or not. I think your question should not be whether this time is sufficient for you to crack IPMAT. It should rather be, I have so many days, months or years available. How should I utilize that particular time to make sure that I'm getting into the college that I aspire to be? Preparation से पहले IPMAT, what it is all about, ये चीज़ आपको clear होनी चाहिए. What is the curriculum like? What are the career prospects? कौन से colleges offer करते हैं? Fee क्या रहेगा? उसको finance कैसे करना है? वो सारी चीज़ें पहले आप clear करो and make sure that IPMAT is your calling. जब वो क्लियर हो जाए is when you also start looking at the examinations that you have to give. Be it IPMAT Indore, Rohtak, JIPMAT, IMB UGAT, IMB DBE और IMK's BMS AT examination. ये सारे एग्जाम में क्या क्या चीज़ें आती हैं in terms of topics, level of difficulty, sections and also previous year cutoffs if the data is available. That will give you a good picture and a good starting point कि okay, this is what I have to study in so and so time which is left. अब उस टाइम को यूटिलाइज करने के लिए यू कैन ऑब्वियसली एनरोल विद अस विद आवर आरएम एंड एम्पलीफाई बैच और एनी बैच व्हिच कम्स अप इन फ्यूचर, और you can also prepare on your own on YouTube or other free resources which are available online. In case of free resources, you might not find appropriate resources if you just search for IPMAT resources, but there is a lot of overlap in terms of syllabus with CAT as well as JEE, so you can definitely watch that content also. However, the problem that people who are preparing on their own usually face is that a lot of times they are not aware of what actually is going to be relevant for IPMAT, what is it. अगर सेम टॉपिक आता भी है उन एग्जाम्स में तो आपको किस लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी तक जाना है, किस डेप्थ तक जाना है. हो सकता है कैट में वो चीज़ थोड़ा ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट आता हो, आपको उतनी डिफिकल्टी करने की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज IPMAT इज स्लाइटली ईजियर दैन दैट. ऐसा हो सकता है इन अ पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक देयर एग्जिस्ट अ सब टॉपिक जो कि शायद IPMAT में आता है बट बाकी किसी एग्जाम में इतना रेलेवेंट नहीं है, तो दैट टीचर इज नॉट कवरिंग इट बिकॉज दे आर क्रिएटिंग दैट कॉन्टेंट फोकस्ड ऑन दैट एग्जामिनेशन. In this hustle and bustle of making sure कि जो भी पढ़ रहा हूँ सही पढ़ रहा हूँ या नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ, keeping a track of what all have I done and making sure you are consistent throughout becomes challenging, and उसकी वजह से काफ़ी लोग अपनी preparation they stop it midway thinking कि नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे and अब मैं बोर्ड्स के बाद ही करता हूँ. बोर्ड्स के बाद वाला टाइम although might be sufficient for some, for others it might not be. So in that case, that is a challenge that comes with preparing on your own. But if in case you feel like you are ready to take on to that challenge, you are somebody who is self-aware, you are pretty consistent, आप चीज़ें खुद से करके थोड़ा extra effort डाल के भी कर सकते हैं. You know, that is totally one option that you can go for. Another option is enrolling with a coaching, especially somebody like us. What that allows you to do is कि we have all the resources available on a platter, and all of that is available to you from day one itself. You have a proper structure, proper plan जो आपको फॉलो करना है इन वॉट एवर टाइम इज लेफ्ट टू मेक श्योर आपका यहाँ भी सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो रहा हो, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट हैम्परिंग योर preparation of board examinations, because again that is also equally important. With ACE IPM, at least one very good thing is that we are one of the very few coachings who are just focused on IPMAT as an examination. We are not having classes for CLAT, CUT or other examinations, because what we have done is we are focused on only one exam, and we make sure that we are doing it really well. It also reflects in our results. We have more than 1100 selections across all the IIMs in the last 5 years of our existence, including All India rank 2nd, 4th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and many more in the last 3 years alone in IIM Indore itself. So the way we are able to achieve all this is by having that laser sharp focus on IPMAT. And I'll also tell you about the 3 pillars on which these particular courses, which are starting on 5th of May, are going to focus on. First pillar is concept, second pillar is practice, and third pillar is going to be mentorship and guidance. In terms of concept, we follow a dual pedagogy system wherein you have a set of conceptual lectures which are recorded in nature, which are available from day 0 for you to go through, and we also have live classes to supplement those. We are not asking you to just go through the conceptual lectures or just go through the live classes. These conceptual lectures are available in a very short, crisp and concise format. Rather than having a 2-hour lecture on logarithm, we have broken it down into 12 videos of 10 minutes each with a lecture-based quiz in between every 2 or 3 videos, thus ensuring that you're not only understanding things but are also putting it into practice. In terms of live classes, we are going to have 4 live classes in a week, with an exception between 20th May and 30th of June. We expect you guys to be on a summer break, and during this period, we are going to increase the frequency of live classes to 6 live classes in a week. What that allows us to do is to make sure that जो बैच हमारा 19th of March को चालू हुआ था, the previous batches, you are at the same pace, because जो भी चीजें उन्होंने 19th of March से 2nd of May तक कवर करा है, वो सारी चीजें आपके additional classes जो हमारी remedial classes हो रही है, उसमें आपका भी कवर हो जाएगा, and everybody comes at the same level. So that is going to be the plan. उसके बाद आपकी classes 4 days in a week रहेंगी. With this plan, we are going to cover the quants part as well as the verbal ability part by the end of October, at least once. इसके बाद आपका syllabus फिर से भी होएगा. इसके बाद for 2027 आपका crash course चालू हो जाएगा for IIM Bangalore. You will have access to that. For 2028, your second cycle of syllabus continues. वो वाला चालू हो जाएगा after that, and it will go on. And उसके बाद आपका 11th खत्म होएगा, and 12th we'll focus a little more on practice rather than concept part, because that is something you would have already done twice by that point in time. This is the plan that we'll follow with respect to completion of syllabus. Of course, on top of it, logical reasoning is going to be a part of this course. General knowledge is also going to be a part of this course, because although IPMAT में आपको general knowledge का section नहीं दिखता है, in other BBA examinations it might come as a separate section, and even in the case of IPMAT, in interviews they might ask you for your current affairs and GK. So that part will also be taken care of separately. Apart from this, concepts alone are not going to be enough. You also need to practice. That is equally important. For that, you are going to have access to 80 plus mocks, including all the IPMATs, IPMAT Indore, Rohtak, JIPMAT, IIM Koi course BMS 80, your IIM Bangalore's UG 80, IIM Bangalore's TBE, NMIMS, Sim Voices, Christ. The mocks of all these examinations are going to be available at ACE IPM's portal. The quants part of the IIM Indore mocks will also be available in the form of video solutions, and you're also going to have 100 sectionals available for IIM Indore. So you have plenty of practice content available in terms of mock test. For topic wise test, you have conceptual lecture based quizzes available. You also have a set of 20 booklets which are delivered to you on your doorstep, so that you can also cover your basic practice questions from there. So all the practice part is also taken care of by us. Of course, going through the books, the mocks, the conceptual lectures, the live class is going to be a humongous task. For that, you are going to be given a proper planner which tells you exactly what you need to do on a day. So अगर आपको आज conceptual lectures देखने हैं, कौन से देखने हैं, कहाँ से देखने हैं, आपको पता होगा. कल आपको live class attend करनी है, timing क्या रहेगा, आपको पता होएगा. परसों आपको book से question करने हैं, कौन सी book से करने हैं, कौन से questions करने हैं. You will have a complete understanding and overview of all these things. साथ में बीच में of course we understand there might be days where you are not available. You have your obligations, academic obligations from your school, which is why you might have a backlog. उसके लिए we also keep sufficient time for covering the backlog in between these planner as well, so you don't have to worry about that. Of course, if you're doing so many things, it is natural for you to have doubts, and this is how we address your doubts. In case of academic doubts, what you can do is in live class, you have the option to ask your doubts on the chats and get it clarified there. If in case class के अलावा आपको content material से आपको कोई भी doubt है, where we have 6 to 7 mentors available to clarify all your doubts either through the means of a picture accompanied by a voice note or through a video solution. इसके अलावा आपका कोई भी डाउट आता है विच इज़ नॉन अकेडमिक इन नेचर, आपको स्ट्रैटेजी रिलेटेड डाउट है, बैकलॉग है, आपको कौन से एम्स में उसके हिसाब से अगर प्रोफाइल रिलेटेड कोई भी दिक्कत आ रहा है, सो फॉर ऑल दोज थिंग्स यू कैन ऑल्सो बुक अ one-on-one mentorship session over Zoom with one of your IIM seniors who is going to guide you exactly what he did when he was at your position and what can you do to make sure that you are getting one step closer to all these colleges. इसके अलावा if there is any technical query, you also have our support number which is 74x9 17171, wherein you can send all your support related queries and all of those will be addressed within 24 hours of time. So that is what we have in terms of the mentorship and guidance part. Of course, all of these things are going to take care of your entrance exam. But once your IIM interview shortlist is out, the preparation of that is also taken care of by us. We will have proper mock interviews available for all these IIMs. We are going to have workshop sessions to tell you exactly what you need to study, how to study, and till what depth are you supposed to go to make sure that you're acing the interview part as well. Because remember, clearing IPMAT is only half the battle. The second half is going to be interview, and we are going to make sure that you are acing that part as well. To sum it up, all of these things, all of the resources available are going to make sure that you are exam ready for IPMAT 2027 as well as 2028. Although the batches will be clubbed for the first cycle of syllabus, from the second cycle of syllabus, they will be separated. 27 students are going to have a crash course for IIM Bangalore, and 28 students are going to have another run of syllabus before we get onto the mocks and the practice part more in your class 12. So to sum it up, all of this is going to make sure that you are exam ready for IPMAT 2027 as well as IPMAT 2028. The course is going to go live from 5th of May. I highly recommend you to go down in the description, book a free counseling session, understand what the course is about, what IPM is all about with one of our counselors. Also have a look at our demo lectures to see if in case you are able to vibe well with our faculties, and basis of that, you can take a call and get enrolled with our course. If in case you are interested, you can also use the promo code ARAM as well as Amplify for your respective courses to get additional discount. And I'll see you in another one. Till then, stay safe, take care, all the very best, and let's ace IPM with Ace IPM. Thank you.
Ready to ace IPM? Get started by going on aceipm.com, and over there you'll see a free counseling button. You need to click on that and enter all your details so that one of your future seniors can get in touch with you and clarify all your queries about IPM and Ace IPM. Thank you.